Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your VIVO Y01 USB charging port using home remedies. Remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And there is something in my charging port that is preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So to get it out, you first have to take the cover off and take the toothbrush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the brush into the USB port and try to gently pry the piece of paper or dirt out. So put one part of the toothbrush and then gently try to pry out the dirt. So, great! Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!